In this video, I'm going to introduce a series of tutorials that I'll be creating that teach you the Kotlin programming language, and specifically for developing on Android. Now, of course, the source is at kotlinlang.org. Here's the best place to start learning. You can review the documentation. You can review some tutorials. There's lots of other resources. I'm going to be taking the documentation and going through the basics and other things that are specifically that relate to Android development. Another way that you can practice learning Kotlin is by going to the Try Kotlin. If you go to try.kotlinlang.org, this is going to bring up an interactive web page that allows you to program and try out Kotlin in a browser. Makes it easy to test your knowledge and validate what you're learning. Here you've got a number of examples. You can click through, you can run them and see the output as if it were its own little IDE. Another thing that you can do is what they call Kotlin koans. I think that's how you call it, koan. What this is a puzzle. Koan is a puzzle, meaning it's something you have to solve. So here you've got a number of puzzles you can go through. You can start first, of course, with the hello world. It allows you to enter in text, and in this example we're going to say okay, and then you can check your answer, and it's going to run a unit test that will validate whether you did it right. Try that one more time. Here we go. All tests passed. Awesome. So you can go through and you can run through a number of these examples and Kotlin koans in order to test your knowledge. I'll be creating these tutorials and I'll be referencing some of the try.kotlinlang.org pages as well as Android Studio 3. So be sure to subscribe and look for these future videos.